Hi there! Today, I will guide you through creating your Kahoot account. Let's begin. First, visit Kahoot.com and click on Sign Up. Now, select the account type which suits you the best. Professional for business users, teacher, student, or family and friends for personal use. Choose with whom you will play Kahoot. Next, you may be asked to provide your date of birth. Choose a username. You can click on the magic wand icon to generate one automatically. Your username should be 20 characters max with no spaces or special characters, except of underscores and periods. Then enter your login credentials. Ensure your email is accessible for password retrieval and notifications. Your password should be 6 to 20 characters long. You can also use supported SSO providers like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Clever. If you're not ready to upgrade now, you can continue using the basic plan for free. And that's it. Your account is now set up and ready to explore Kahoot. Make sure to leave thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date on Kahoot. Happy Kahooting!